Hello. So glad for the
Hi.
whistle.
I'm sorry. I'm a little all over the place. One second. हाँ. Now it's a bit better.
I mean, I just see somebody वो पीछे से curtain भी लग गया है. Now the set is done.
ए कोई नहीं आएगा अब. हाँ okay. I loved you in Gully Boy. Literally, he did this. I said I loved Andhadhun. Oh hi! He's the guy I make out with behind in the tongue. Hi, तीसरा guy. Yes, you are. जिसको मैंने हकाल दिया. कितनी तेज हंसी
Amazing.
आ रही है. सुन रही हूँ सुध बुध खो के कोई मैं कहानी पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता मैं तो किसी की होके ये भी न जानी रुत है ये दो पल की या रहेगी सदा
मन के मदारी का
कागजात लायो मीटिंग के लिए ऐसे आ गए टहलते हो
घन 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 के गिनती के सिक्के सांसों की टकसा
9 साल से साथ में है मालूम है ना तेरे को तो जरूरी नहीं है 10 साल भी साथ में देखेगी खून में है ये टैलेंट कोई और कर सकता है ये
खारे पानी में ढूंढा मीठा समंदर
I'm ready now.
Okay. So cheers to you on
Wow.
coffee time with Griha.
Nice mug. मेरा थोड़ा सा
Thank you. Oh, but you have a quirky mug as well. Yeah, come on. Mugs के ऊपर
Captain
थोड़ी ना
America.
बात करेंगे आज भाई.
That's
As long
true.
as we are having coffee, it's the best thing.
Yes, Griha.
So first of all, has all the reception and all the applause that is coming your way sunk in? कैसा रहा है ये कुछ हफ्ते जो गुलाबो सिताबो के रिलीज के बाद?
Very very overwhelming, honestly. और बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे तो. Attention, I think everybody loves it, but I was just really happy that people spoke about all the characters in the film, and because I mean I know जब picture के poster आए थे, so people were like, oh, it's Amitabh Bachchan sir and Ayushmann, and it's their film. But when the film came out, it was an ensemble film. It was about everybody, and my character was also mentioned. So very exciting.
That's what I wanted to get at the very next. So when I saw the film, पहले तो सबको ये पता था कि भाई obviously there will be Mr. Bachchan, there will be Ayushmann Khurrana, दोनों की जुगलबंदी and everything that is to do with that will be a part of the film. But when we saw the women character in the film, everybody was pleasantly surprised. And there are two ways to look at it. क्योंकि एक तरह से देखा जाता है औरतों के किरदार को जो एक सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑर्थोडॉक्स सेटअप से आती है तो लोग सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं कि अच्छा they have a mind of their own. And then there's another way to look at it that even in a society like that, women are like that, and they are unapologetic in what they have, what they want to do in life, and they're out there to achieve it. तो आप किस तरह से जब आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा, what is it that you actually thought of Guddo when it was given to you, and what was your perception of that entire character?
When the very first interaction, whatever I had with the script was when I got my audition script. तो मेरा सबसे पहला ऑडिशन स्क्रिप्ट वो वाला सीन था जो मेरा और विजयराज सर का सीन है. And that it's
Pairia.
Yeah, Pairia scene. And that has such a strong, it has all the characteristics, a lot of characteristics of Guddo, just those few lines, just those few minutes. So I knew I wanted to play this part because the first perception that I got of this was she was very free in terms of her sexuality even. And I knew the setup of the film kind of कि यहाँ है, लखनऊ में है, छोटी सी जगह पे होगा, महल है टूटा फूटा, उसमें ये लड़की है. And the scene that I have to audition for goes completely against what I have in my head. So that was very exciting for me as an actor to explore. और फिर उसके बाद जब स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ी तब तो मजे ही थे यार. मतलब शुरू से अंत तक she was such a strong character amongst everybody else also. Even the kind of things that Shujit sir and Juhi ma'am has written कि अगर घर पे वो 1 2 3 4 5 6 लोग रह रहे हैं, आयुष्मान एक है जिसने पढ़ा नहीं है, बट वो काम कर रहा है ताकि उसकी बहनें पढ़ें, and he also wanted to study, wanted to be educated. He couldn't do all of that, and his sisters are so smart, like spunky smart. So it was very interesting, yaar. And right now I was talking to Juhi ma'am on an interview only. She was there, and she was talking about what she writes, and she says we have a thing in our head. Firstly, she wants to write something that stays with people for a long time. It's not about one release or 2 releases. It has its span. Cinema should last and stay. That's what she was saying. And she also said कि हम लोग को लगता है कि छोटे शहरों में जो लखनऊ छोटा शहर है भी नहीं वैसे,
Exactly.
बट यूपी के छोटे छोटे जो दूसरे शहर है वहां पे औरतें बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी they are very their willpower is very high, and it also I can see it in the women in my house itself. We are all from UP, and I
Yes.
know how they have lived till now. So it's a perception that we have ki oh they are meek and they're shy. ऐसा है नहीं. There are Fauzias, there are Guddos भर भर के in UP. Yeah.
And considering, so how much of Lucknow did resonate with you when you were actually doing it? Because kya be, kya kar rahe ho, all that lingo and everything, you actually fit the bill perfectly. So there was no homework required, I believe, because शहर आपका है and you come from there.
So I was born there, and I have been going up and down to Lucknow.
हाँ.
जब मैं छोटी थी तो उतना ही मेरा वो रहा है, बट मेरी नानी वहाँ रही है, और जो हमारा यहाँ घर है वहाँ the thing that we've kept intact is the language. तो
Yeah.
मैं का हम हो जाता
हम
है,
हो
वो है, और वो मेरे यहाँ पे भी है अगुन नेबर्स में. तो that way my language was not a problem. The thing I had to really work on was this character Guddo, who is so like less, and she was doing everything when she was in a scene. So that was the challenge for me when I was working on Guddo.
Okay. So I was going through your Instagram profile, and one thing that obviously stands out is the bouquet and the letter by Mr. Bachchan. And how
Yes!
proudly are you flaunting it? So, bhai, iske piche kya kahani hai? What did he write in that note? That's such a lovely gesture.
Oh my God. So when we were shooting, I don't have many scenes with Bachchan sir. I just
Yes.
have like 2-3 scenes, and that too like small scenes. I have a little.
And that
interaction.
one also, you're giving him a dressing down. I mean, Mr. Bachchan, and then you're like, okay.
काफी मजा आया लेकिन but yeah, so I did not interact with him much, and the film got over. I was just excited that I worked with these amazing bunch of people, and Bachchan sir was a part of it. It's like a dream, you're living. This whole experience of the film was very surreal for me. तो anyway, तो ये हुआ, और फिर पिक्चर खत्म हो गई, हम शूट वूट करके घर आ गए हम लोग, और और March 5th को I got, and Shujit sir told me that he's liked what I have done. Juhi ma'am used to tell me that she's liked. So I had a feeling that work-wise, it's good. Work-wise, what I've done is fine. So 5th of March, I was heading out from my rehearsal. सब कुछ हो गया, dubbing सब हो गई थी, और मुझे एक AD है तुषार, उसका कॉल आया कि सृष्टि, listen, we need your address, this that, for some promotion stuff. Everyone was like really scheming towards this. I said okay, and I sent it off. I reached home very tired, passed out, शाम हो गई. फिर मैं उठ के बाथरूम जा रही थी सड़के कुछ 5:30-6 बजे, और मेरी मम्मी चिल्लाने लगी जोर जोर से कि बाहर आओ बाहर आओ. मैंने क्या हो गया यार, मतलब what happened? And I came running, and she says, अमिताभ बच्चन के घर से लेटर आया है. I was आज ही मैं सोच रही थी, मैं रो रही हूँ, चिल्ला रही हूँ कि समझ ही नहीं आ रहा ये क्या हो गया, because I wanted it, like all the actors want it. And I remember seeing some pictures of people who've received it after Gully Boy Alia got it, Ranveer Singh got it, Siddhant Chaturvedi, Vijay Verma, everyone, and I was like, oh my God, when will this day come for me? And it happened with Gulabo Sitabo. And I remember इतना रो रही हूँ कि बाप रे क्या हो गया. और वो जो आए थे जो मेरा बुके लेके, उनके जो भी घर पे, मतलब one of his helps, he had come, and I said, आप पानी लेंगे, आप कुछ खाएंगे? तो उन्होंने बोला नहीं आप रख लीजिए, and then he left. Oh, but it was so beautiful, and what he wrote in the letter was also really nice. He said that he didn't get to work with me, I mean spend time with me so much, he could not interact with me, but he watched the take first, whatever rough cut of the film, and he loved my work, so he just wanted to let me know.
Wow.
Yeah,
And
really
that's
something.
actually a very, very sweet gesture from a star, a mega star. We always refer to him as Big B. Even if he doesn't do it, unka kuch nahi jayega. But the fact that he takes time out to do it, it's really, really surreal. It's very nice.
He is a really, I mean, you know when you're sitting at home somewhere in a small part of Bombay, you're wondering कि ये कैसे होंगे, क्या करते होंगे. तो मेरा सिर्फ ये aim था when I was shooting for the film, to observe what he does. And the character that he was playing was just, I was like, if I have that kind of passion, even now, I will be sorted for the next 50 years in this industry. So that is the kind of passion he has, and he knows what he's doing, one. And two, when he gives this little bit of appreciation to people who are new, it really pushes you. It really motivates you to कि अब मेहनत करेंगे और बहुत काम करना है आगे. So that was that letter for me कि अब कुछ डर नहीं है. काम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, I will make something out of my life in this film industry for sure.
Okay, so we will talk about your journey, but इससे पहले कि आपकी कॉफी ठंडी हो जाए, we have a little game that for which I need your coffee cup. It's my version of never have I ever. I call it take a sip if you have. All right. So I'll give you these situations. You will take a sip if you have done this. You will tell me the story behind it, and it's simple. The words. Okay. All right.
ठीक है.
So let's begin.
Okay.
Take a sip if you have danced in a movie theater while watching a film.
Yes, I think कौन सी पिक्चर थी पता है? धूम 2 थी शायद.
Okay.
और हाँ, और उसके स्टेप्स पहले ही याद कर लिए थे मैंने. So I remember when he had my friend of mine was sitting next to me and Hrithik Roshan appeared like Wah! And I remember standing up and dancing also a little bit, not much, but हाँ.
With the fact that you're a fabulous dancer, you have been dancing like ever since
Yes,
you've
I've been
learned to
dancing a
walk.
lot. Yeah, that's true. Lots of dancing all my life.
Okay. Take a sip if your first celebrity crush was questionable.
What does that mean?
मतलब थोड़े odd होता है ना कि भाई किसी पे crush हो जाता है and then you were like, okay, मैं इसको पसंद करती थी. क्यों?
नहीं यार, I'm very proud of all my celebrity crushes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who was your first celebrity crush?
यार एक्चुअली because I was very young, तो पहले तो शाहरुख खान थे और ये सब थे. फिर उसके बाद एक और मेरा बहुत बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी और फिर पिटबुल बन गया था काफी टाइम.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a sip if you've been told off in an audition claiming that this is not the part or probably on your looks.
Oh yeah.
Told off.
Of course.
You have been? Does
Yeah,
it
yeah.
happen very often that, you know, people are judged only even before you go to give your audition, that is?
No, not really. It doesn't happen like that anymore. I know pehle, lots of people have told me that this used to happen. Now it's become a bit more professional. But I remember this was like literally my first or second year of acting when I was auditioning a lot and all of that. And I had gone to this place and I was shortlisted for this audition. तो ये क्या होता है कि आपको ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाते हैं. अगर आप उनको काम अच्छा लगे 5-6 लोग को शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं, उनमें से एक सिलेक्ट होता है. So you get a message saying you are shortlisted and then you go again, audition, whatever. So I went and I remember that I had not done my hair, makeup, nothing. I just went on my scooter and I decided to do my hair, makeup at the audition space. So I went and this guy, he comes out and he says, and it was an ad audition.
Okay.
And he says, what are you doing here? I said, I'm here for the audition. And I used to be a little scared also at that point. I could not tell people off at that point.
Okay.
So he said, but what audition? I said, I've been shortlisted. ये देखो जो मैंने उसको message दिखाया. So he was like, no, you can't give this audition. You don't look like a model. You have to look like her. So I was just like, and I told him I've been shortlisted. And no. Thank you.
He meant somebody taller, somebody, what did he mean? Look like her?
I don't know. I mean, yeah, she looked like, she was tall, she was gorgeous, whatever. I don't know what he meant. I really didn't understand what he was saying at that point. And I just remember being heartbroken and crying on my way back home. Ki ye kya, matlab, seriously, do I have it in me to, go through this? But it was just once that it happened over my looks. Otherwise, things have been different.
Okay. Take a sip if you have ever used one of the dialogues from, let's say, why should hot girls have all the fun in your real life, incorporated it in your real life.
I'm not
situation.
used it. Yeah, मतलब subtext में हो चुका है शायद. So maybe.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Take a sip if acting with Kajol was like a blushing exercise for you.
Oh
or
my
was
God.
a fangirl moment for you.
काजोल man, she's a fantastic actress. और फिर उनके साथ आप काम करो तो ऐसा लगता है कि and I remember and I was playing Anjali. Or everyone wants to play Anjali. And फिर हुआ शूट और वो आई and she really chilled the whole set out यार. वो आई और हंस के अपना पूरा उन्होंने सीन किए. एक बार तो मेरे मुंह से गाली भी निकल गई थी क्योंकि मैंने लाइंस में मैस अप कर दिया. तो मैंने बोला और उन्होंने बोला so yeah, I had a blast. I really enjoyed it.
Okay. All right. Take a sip if you've ever had a crush on a co-actor, be it theatre, films, web series.
taken that forward also.
Okay. Okay, that's good to talking.
I should stop.
No, come
Yeah.
on. Don't.
No, I
Okay.
won't. हाँ.
Okay. So this is something that I've made up. I don't know whether it is kiska jawab kya aayega, whether you'll be taking a sip or not. But take a sip. If all of that thrashing and beating between you and Alia gave that you actually gave to one another in Gully Boy was so real that you ended up not seeing eye to eye for at least 5 minutes.
No. This didn't happen. No, we were really, I think, enjoying this scene.
Even the beating, but that was so real. You were actually thrashing each other up.
We rehearsed it. We had 2 rehearsals of कि कैसे गिराना है, कौन पटकेगा. तो एक बार ऐसा हुआ था जब शूट हो रहा था, तो वो ना मेरे ऊपर आके जो बैठ जाती है ऐसे, तो उसी में कट हो गया था. और फिर कहती है कि अब मैं यहाँ से क्या करूँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So it was so much fun, and I think वो हुआ नहीं awkward कि we didn't look at each other at all. She was saying how you know how my voice is going, is your voice going? I said yeah. So it was very chill like that.
Okay. One final
Yeah.
thing. Take a sip if you have taken a prop from the sets of Gulabo Sitabo as a memento or a memory.
I
What
have
is
it in my purse. यार वो prop नहीं है, वो गुड्डो का एक बैंगल पहनती है वो, तो वो मैंने रख लिया था अपने. And I remember wearing it for a very long time after the shoot got over. I was so attached to it. My friend asked me to chuck it. ना कहता है कि अपने पास रख ले, उसको पहनी रहेगी तो it stays for a longer time. So
Right.
yeah, anyway, I had that bangle.
Okay, so there is a thing about artists. I would not just say actors or cricketers. There's a thing about artists. I was talking to Ashwini Iyer Tiwari, and she had a superstition for her set. She said, I don't keep clocks on my set. Do you, as an actor, have any superstition that you follow or that you think that ये करूँगी तो, you know, not lucky होगा?
बहुत चीजें होती हैं यार, ये सब तो कितनी कि पता है. शुरू में मुझे लगा था, एक दिन मैं बाल धो के नहीं गई थी सेट पे. पहला दिन, और वो पहला दिन बहुत ही शेकी था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि
अच्छा.
मुझे also because I was figuring out, and that was my first day of shoot. फिर उसके बाद से जब भी मेरा शूट हुआ, बाल धुले हैं. Yeah, because I just wanted to make sure that stress is not on my head. It's stupid, but yeah.
Okay, one more. It's just come to me while you mentioned hair. Take a sip. If you hate doing up your hair. I can so relate to that.
Everyone at my house is like, कंघी कर लो, कंघी कर. क्या करे कंघी करके यार? I don't like it. And this is normally I enjoy my hair to be chilling,
actually.
you know. Yeah.
Okay. So, Gulabo Sitabo की तो बात हो गई है, but a little bit about your journey. When you started out, you always wanted to come into films, but how did web series happen? What was the deal with you? Like, where did you start off?
So you know that I've been dancing for a very long time. So we as a family, my mom and my dad, have been figuring out ways to put me in this industry somehow. And I have done small Amul ka ad when I was like 5 or 6 years old. So I remember in school and college I danced and I did some theater, not a lot. But I decided to train myself in acting before taking this up fully hardcore. So I went to Drama School Mumbai, which is in Charni Road. Yeah, it's in Bombay, Charni Road. And I trained in performance and theater making for 1 whole year, which was it was like school. सुबह 8 बजे से शाम के 7-8 बजे तक होता था रोज, 1 साल के लिए. तो उसके बाद से मेरी थिएटर की जर्नी शुरू हुई, जहाँ पे मैंने नाटक करने शुरू किए फौजे जलाली के साथ, जो मेरी मेंटोर है. और then I performed lots of shows of 777. Then somehow through this I met Manav Kaul for Chuhal. That happened, and then I did another play with Fauze Shikhandi. So I kept my theater game was quite like there in that sense. While I was rehearsing for these shows, I was also auditioning simultaneously. So I would rehearse for 4-5 hours this is initially, and then I used to take my jhola of all my costumes, ki Western clothes, Indian clothes, office formal, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना, वो सब लेके रामनगर पार्ट 2 पहुंच जाती थी, जहाँ पे हमारे सारे ऑडिशंस होते हैं. और वहां पे मैं रोज 3-4 ऑडिशंस देती थी. I was called for it. And I used to give the auditions, and I slowly realized कि auditions सारे मिलेंगे भी नहीं. तो ये हुआ. Now, in all this, I got a call from Anmol Ahuja once. He's Abhishek Banerjee and Anmol Ahuja run casting day.
Yeah.
And yeah, so he called me and he says, Galyapa करके एक channel आ रहा है TVF का. तो तू जाके ऑडिशन दे आ एक चीज के लिए. तो मैंने बोला बहुत दूर है, अंधेरी जाना पड़ेगा ये वो. तो उन्होंने बोला जा. I said okay, cool. So I went and somehow I met Sharmishta, who was the director of Why Should Hot Girls Have All the Fun, and she auditioned me, and somehow it worked out. It was a very small thing. It was supposed to be a small sketch that they had written, really wanted to create. So that's how Why Should Hot Girls Have All the Fun happened. I met Malika, and I realized that my journey with Galyapa started from there. और फिर वो गलियापा होता रहा. अब उसके बीच में पिक्चरों के भी ऑडिशन आने लगे. तो पहले मुझे आया काफी. Leila Majnu was the first film I auditioned for. And that didn't work out for whatever reason, but the first film that worked out for me was Okay Janu. और कितने हम लोग नाइव होते हैं ना एक्टर्स की, लगता है कि ओहो पिक्चर मिल गई, अब तो कुछ नहीं, अब तो जीवन. Because everyone has had a different journey. I think Janelia D'Souza had come in an ad and then she became this heroine.
Yes,
People have been spotted. और मुझे लगा कि अब तो मैं दिख जाऊंगी, और ये ad मिल गया, ये Why Should Hot Girls आ गया, अब हीरोइन. ओके जानू हो गया, अब हीरोइन. ऐसा हुआ नहीं. My journey has been stretched out and long. And उस प्रोसेस में मैंने अपने क्राफ्ट पे भी काफी काम किया, जो शायद अच्छी बात है. ओके जानू हुआ, और फिर मुझे पता चला कि उससे मेरा कुछ नहीं हुआ ओके जानू से. फिर I did another film, then Dil Jung Lian Singh, Gully Boy happened. And Gully Boy, though it was such a small part, it really stayed with me as an actor also and with the audience. And I think from there, somehow, I don't know if I was getting audition calls after Gully Boy or anything, but I know my film journey has started after Gully Boy. और फिर उसके बाद गुलाबो सिताबों का ऑडिशन दिया मैंने, और यहाँ पे अब मैं.
Okay, so you are an actor. There was a time, generation, not really a generation, but somewhere in the middle, actors were only known to be politically correct. भाई कोई भी question पूछोगे तो भाई सारे simple जवाब मिलेंगे. It has to be politically correct. When I was reading one of your interviews, you have been out there to say that, I have grabbed this part in Gully Boy, but it might just be cut out. You've been as plain and as, open. And you have no qualms about saying it, even though you're just starting out. Because actors को ये भी तो लगता होगा कि भाई मैं एक पहला impression बना रही हूँ, मेरी पहली film है, I should just market it well. ऐसा कभी दिमाग में नहीं आया?
नहीं आया, of course आता है दिमाग में. बहुत डर लगता है, ऐसा नहीं है. But मुझे ये भी था कि अब पता नहीं, because I remember I had shot only for 3 days, and I mean, one way to look at it is कि कट जाएगा, and one way to look at it is कि पिक्चर में इसकी जरूरत है कि नहीं. वो भी उतनी मेच्योरिटी शायद अब मुझे में आई है. तो जब गली बॉय का वो सीन आया, लोग पागल हो गए, मैं पागल हो गई. लेकिन वो जो एक डिलीटेड सीन शेयर किया है, वो मुझे चाहिए था कि वो आए. But when Zoya Akhtar was asked about it, that she said this is the introduction, Albina's introduction scene, it was not needed because it was a completely different track. So they could not have put it in the film. It's not because they don't like me. If they didn't like me, they wouldn't have taken me in the film in the first place. तो इसको देखने के 2 ही तरीके थे, और फिर वो अब जाके समझ में आता है कि पिक्चर के लिए काम करता है या नहीं करता है. सिंपल, उनको अपनी पिक्चर बनानी है.
Right. How do you see this phase? Lockdown है, but the entire and it's a level playing field. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि somebody is out there above or everybody is on the same platform. Everybody is anxious कि क्या होगा आगे. इतने सारे नए लोग हैं जिनकी films नहीं आ पा रही हैं. But Gulabo Sitabo has actually paved the way to release such a big film on the OTT space, in the OTT space. Do you think that this is going to be the new normal, or do you think it's that buffer time that needs to be utilized as is? What is your opinion about it?
I feel that firstly, I think he made a very good decision by releasing it on Amazon. I really feel so, because right now we are all in a phase which is so weird. Everything is happening literally in these past 2-3 months. I feel like the whole world has seen something they had never expected. Especially our generation, we are just like, ये pandemic हम लोग को देखना था, हमें पता ही नहीं है. So I think he made a very wise decision by releasing it, and I don't think it's the new normal, because I know filmmakers, I know actors, they want their films to be on the big screen. That's what we have worked for That's what we are working on all our lives. And I think as soon as things start getting better, वापस सिनेमा खुल जाएगा और हम सब थिएटर में ही जाएंगे पिक्चर देखने.
Okay. But anything specific that you want to talk about just working with Mr. Bachchan?
So I have like stories of Mr. Bachchan. So first I will start in very tiny stories, so just bear with me. So this was when I was in school. I get very excited when I talk about this because it feels like circle happened. So I was in school, 7th standard, and four of us, we decided कि exams के बाद हम जाके in orbit में पिज्जा खाएंगे. तो हम लोग गए in orbit में पिज्जा खाने, छोटी छोटी लड़कियां सब, और भीड़ इकट्ठा होने लगी. क्या हुआ, कौन आया. तो बोले किसी ने ब्रैड पिट आया, और मैं तब ना अंग्रेजी पिक्चरें नहीं देखती थी. मैंने बोला अच्छा ब्रैड पिट आया, वेरी गुड, आगे बढ़ो. But then someone said, अरे नहीं अमिताभ बच्चन आया. I went crazy. I remember going crazy, and he was if you've been to in orbit, वो ऐसा है ना. So सब लोग ऐसे खड़े थे, and वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर से ग्राउंड फ्लोर जा रहे थे एस्केलेटर पे. I remember running down the stairs. I left my friends. I ran, and he was walking with his bouncers, and with his security, and I just said, "Hello, Amit uncle." This tiny girl, "Hello, Amit uncle." And I remember इतनी भीड़ में उन्होंने मुझे देखा, and he just nodded his head. It's there in my diary. Ages ago I had written, and then I happened to work on this set with him in Gulabo Sitabo. And oh my God, what an experience! Then he sends me a letter. My मतलब हो क्या रहा है?
But did you tell him that? Did you tell him that when you were working with him?
I didn't. We didn't interact so much. और मैं उनसे क्या पहली बार में इतनी personal बातें नहीं कर सकते. But I will hopefully tell him at some point. And one very nice incident that was there when we were shooting वो वाला scene जब वो मेरे बगल में बैठे होते हैं. तो ना इतनी गर्मी, and he has lots of makeup on his face because of the nose and all of that. Yeah, prosthetics. So he needs a fan right next to him, so he cools down ना. So I was sitting और बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी, ऐसे बैठी हूँ इधर उधर. तो उन्होंने ना कट हुआ, उन्होंने थोड़ा सा पंखा मेरी तरफ ऐसे घुमाया, और उन्होंने बोला आपको हवा आ रही है ना. मैंने बोला yeah. So
Mr. Bachchan is making sure I'm okay.
yeah, so it was the best. He's really amazing. He's really quite something.
And everybody's asking about Mr. Bachchan. I'd like to know about Ayushmann. His journey is pretty similar to what you probably are having right now. And he's seen that phase in life, and I'd not like to call it struggling phase, because these are your learning days, and you love and enjoy every moment of it.
Absolutely.
कैसा रहता है switch on switch off when you have an actor who has experienced everything that you are doing, and much younger and almost the same age. I mean, not the same age.
Yeah.
So the vibe matches. How are things like then?
It makes you feel really comfortable, honestly, because firstly, Ayushmann for me was like, oh, I'm going to meet Ayushmann Khurrana, and he's this star guy, whatever. And then I remember I had shot for a few days. I was comfortable in my space. He had just arrived after shooting. और वो बैठा था, और फिर मैं गई, and I said, oh hi, and he says, I loved you in Gully Boy. Literally, he did this, and I said, I loved Andhadhun. So that was our icebreaker, and we really somehow something worked out at that point. And in scenes, he makes sure that nobody is uncomfortable. There is this big actor, star guy. He's just talking to everyone. He's chilling with everybody, asking questions, laughing, and making life much easier for everyone on set. So that way, he was just fantastic to work with. And he keeps telling his stories कि मैं अभी इसके shoot से आया तो वहाँ ये हुआ, वहाँ वो हुआ. तो अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा है. Very encouraging also at the same time.
Okay, at this point in time, and this is my final question, at this point in time, if you were given a choice, I mean, you've already mentioned that an actor lives to see his or her product on the big screen. But since web space is doing so great, and you have got a lot of validation from there, if you're given a choice, I mean, obviously it's not really a choice to make, but do you think web space has really emerged to be that strong point and the strong brother to theater scene, to films per se, because the films are also coming to that OTT platform now, and web series have transformed into really, really professional niche stuff that we see over here. So do you think this is here to stay, and this is something that is really, really legit?
Yeah, I For sure, man. I mean, it started so small. Now look at the kind of content that is out there on the web space, and it never. I feel initially when it had started, I never thought it could match, you know. But
Ah.
now the kind of stuff they're putting out there is just is beyond what we imagined. Like when, for example, Sacred Games happened, it blew my mind. I did not know that something like that of that caliber could be explored in India, and it happened. So I feel web is doing amazingly well, and if you get a good web show, you as an actor you should totally go for it. Like I remember watching Delhi Crime, and
Yes.
I do watch films, and I get affected a lot, but web series did not affect me like that. But when I watched Delhi Crime, it really did something to me, and it was the performances, it was the storytelling, the direction, the cinematography, every single aspect of that show was just brilliantly executed. Similarly with Family Man,
Family Man. Yeah.
Manoj
Yes.
Bajpayee, and the kind of, because I remember I was sitting with my friend of mine and watching the whole show, and he says, "अब देख," because उसने देखा था वो episode. उसने बोला, "देख कैमरा क्या करेगा, देख 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 देख." And so that is the quality of work that's out there on OTT. So I feel now the game is up. Both of them
हाँ.
have their own space. फिल्म की अपनी जगह है और वेब सीरीज की अपनी जगह है, और कंपटीशन का कोई मतलब है नहीं. सब अपना अपना काम करें, बट द क्वालिटी इज रियली रियली गोइंग अप, सो इट्स गुड.
Okay. Okay. One compliment that has stayed with you after Gulabo Sitabo was out, and you were really kicked about it. Ki, okay, this person responded to my role or my performance in the film.
So on my on my picture, Bachchan sir's flower and wo wala photo, Anurag Kashyap has commented,
Wow.
and he said you have done a really good job in. तो मुझे लगा कि अब क्या, चलो घर अपने अपने जाओ तुम लोग, बाद में बात करते हैं.